When two people marry, they embark on a path of integrating their lives, values, and dreams. We'll look at the complexities of this transition, from communication and compromise to shared goals and decision-making, in this video. Join us as we explore the realm of shifting from me to we and forming a happy partnership. Let's start by defining the process of combining lives in a relationship. 1. Shared goals and values. Recognize the significance of goals and values alignment. 2. Managing transitions. Accept the changes that come with combining two lives. In the process of merging lives, effective communication is critical. 1. Encourage open and honest dialogue about expectations, anxieties, and desires. 2. Active listening. Pay close attention to your partner's points of view and issues. Compromise and flexibility are required for a harmonious union. 1. Seeking middle ground. Look for solutions that respect both individuals' needs and desires. 2. Accepting change. Be willing to adapt and make changes as needed. It is critical to strike a balance between independence and connection. 1. Respect for personal space. Recognize and respect each other's need for personal time and space. 2. Shared experiences. Provide opportunities for bonding and shared activities. In the process of integrating lives, decision-making becomes a collaborative endeavor. 1. Collaborative decisions. Make decisions jointly while taking into account each other's opinion. 2. Mutual respect. Even if you disagree, respect each other's viewpoints. Financial integration is an important component of combining lifestyles. 1. Financial transparency. Be open and honest about your financial condition and ambitions. 2. Create a shared financial plan. Create a plan for managing finances as a pair. Bringing two lives together entails accepting change and progress. 1. Individual development. Support each other's personal development and passions. 2. Evolving together. Navigate life's transitions as a group. Making a home together represents the joining of two lives. 1. Space design. Work together to create a comfortable and welcoming home. 2. Shared tasks. To build a balanced partnership, share household tasks. Celebrate your accomplishments and milestones along the road. 1. Progress reflection. Take time to acknowledge your journey and improvement. 2. Making memories. Treasure the memories you make together. The journey of merging lives is strengthened by mutual support. 1. Emotional support. Be there for one another through highs and lows. 2. Supporting aspirations and dreams. Encourage each other's aspirations and dreams. Combining lives results in a better partnership. Strengthening your emotional link. Shared experiences might help you strengthen your emotional link. 2. Meeting challenges. Meet challenges as a group. Finally, from me to we, merging lives in a relationship is a life-changing adventure. Thank you for your time. If you found these ideas useful, please like and subscribe for more relationship, personal improvement, and effective communication advice. Please share your ideas or experiences in the comments section below. Remember that the transition from me to we is a wonderful one that necessitates dialogue, compromise, and constant progress. Until next time, may your life-merging path be blessed with understanding, love, and mutual joy.